Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and a slightly different video this time round. Rather than do a full video on doing the powder coating of the headlamp brackets, the horn bracket and the battery bracket, I've done it as a series of pictures and put all that together for you. So it's not a particularly long video, but it's just another process that I've done and keep you up to date with the car. I've not really done a great deal on the car. It has been the summer holidays, so the boys have been about a lot more. So it's not been easy to get the opportunity to do recording on the car. All you'll be able to hear is them shouting in the background and playing. And yeah, I'm sure you don't want to hear that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do please drop a comment, carry on liking and subscribing. And I'd like to welcome all the new subscribers. We seem to have a bit of an influx on new subscribers, so that's great. So welcome guys, and thanks to all the original subscribers. I hope you keep enjoying the videos and enjoying the progress on the cars. So I'll let the video roll and I'll let you enjoy it. Thanks again guys, and I'll see you soon.